Finding high-demand, low-competition products for Amazon FBA starts with data-driven research and common-sense validation. First, you want to use a reputable product research tool like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to pull up a filtered list. Set your category, minimum selling price, required monthly sales, and maximum review count. This narrows you to items that hit your core criteria. Next, copy each product's primary keyword into Amazon search bar and install your extension's Chrome widget to instantly see real-time metrics, daily and monthly revenue estimates, buy box share, and review counts. Low review counts on top sellers signal room for new entrant, while steady five-figure monthly revenues prove strong demand. Then double-check seasonality and price stability via the tool's historical graphs. Short-lived dips aren't deal breakers if prices reliably bounce back. Finally, rough out your product margin by sourcing samples from Alibaba. If landed costs leave you with at least 25% net profit, you've found a winner. By combining strict data filters, on-page validation, and cost calculations, you'll consistently uncover FBA products with plenty of demand and minimal competition. That's all for this video. If you found this useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.